up guys, it's Kelly and today I am partnering up with Macaron to show you guys their new Les Jellies collection. And I'm so excited about it. So if you haven't heard of Macaron, basically it is a one-step gel nail polish system so you can do gel manicures at home. You don't need a base coat, you don't need a top coat, you just need the gel polish that they sell as well as an LED lamp, and they sell these adorable little macaron shaped lamps that are perfect for on the go. So I'm going to be showing you guys their new Les Jellies collection, which consists of really gorgeous jelly nail polishes. So if you guys don't know what jelly nail polish is, I also did a video on that. But basically it is just a sheer translucent nail polish that is similar to jelly or jello. You can wear it in a variety of different ways. I honestly love wearing jellies on their own, but you can also use them for nail art. You can layer them to create different nail polish colors, or you can really do whatever you want. You're only limited by your imagination. So let me show you guys the swatches and then I'll talk more about the collection and my thoughts. All right. Roll swatches. So first up in this collection, we have the color Rose Jelly. I love the bottles, by the way. They're all kind of personalized to what each color is. But anyway, Rose Jelly is a super sheer, very light wash of color in a soft pink shade. And this one is actually my favorite in the collection just because each coat, you can actually decide like how sheer you want it to be and what exactly you're looking for. So like with one coat, it just looks like you have a very fresh, clean nail and it doesn't necessarily look like you have color on it. With two coats, it's just a super light wash of color, and then with three coats, it just looks like a beautiful sheer nail polish. So I feel like this one is definitely super versatile. It looks great, and this is just the type of really light manicure that you could honestly wear all of the time, and you could wear it just with any outfit. You can wear it to any occasion, and it just looks like you have just a really beautiful soft manicure going on. I just love the color. I think it looks so elegant. Next up, we have the color Mango Jelly, which is a beautiful bright orange jelly, and this one is actually a lot more opaque than the rose one. What I really love about this collection is they all have varying levels of opacity, so it's really dependent on what exactly you're in the mood for. So on that first coat, you get a nice sheer jelly finish, but once you throw on that second coat, it's actually one of those very full coverage jellies, if that makes sense. So you can totally get the full color on your nail, and it just looks like a translucent jelly with that really high shine, but you still get that full cover on your nail and you actually can't even see your visible nail line. So just another really beautiful color, very different feel, but I totally love this one too. Next up, we have the color Mint Jelly, which, as you might have guessed by the name, is a very soft mint jelly. So this one again is one of those more sheer wash of color types of shades like the Rose Jelly color, and this one I would say is actually the most interesting in the collection because I feel like even though a lot of brands are doing jellies right now and I feel like they're so popular right now, I have definitely not seen any that are like this. This is a very soft minty color. It adds such a unique finish and such a unique color to your nails. I feel like it's almost the equivalent of Rose Jelly, but for people who are more adventurous with color. Like if you love having an exciting color but you still want to have a really soft, subtle manicure, I feel like this is absolutely perfect for you. It's totally giving me like soft, wintry, cold day vibes, but I could honestly see this being perfect for any time of year just because it's such a nice, light, little delicate color. And last but not least, we have the color Grape Jelly, which is a beautiful, bright purple jelly. This one is totally giving me those like 90s inflatable chair vibes. Does anybody else remember those? Because I feel like those were the coolest thing ever, and that is what this color is bringing back for me. On the first coat, you do get a nice sheer wash of color, but this is one of the more opaque shades. So once you throw on that second coat, you do get full opacity for a jelly, which means you can still see through it. It has that translucence to it. It also has that super high shine, and it's just really fun. I feel like this is just one of those more transformative colors where you could use this for nail art, or you could use this to put over like a silver glitter or something, and it'll totally transform your manicure into something completely new. So I totally love it. Okay, so those are the polishes. Honestly, I love them. I really appreciate that they have varying levels of like translucence because I feel like sometimes you're in the mood for something that's like a jelly but still pretty much like a color that you can see, and sometimes you just want a nice subtle wash of color. So I really like that variety that they have. I hope they come out with more colors because the ones that they made are very good. So these polishes retail for $11.99 USD on the Macaron website, which I will link down below. We also have a few international options, so I'll link that down below as well if you guys are interested. And they're also in Ulta, so you can check that out. They do sell their little macaron shaped lamps, which you guys can check out as well. I'll also link that down below. Or you can get the starter kit that I mentioned in my original review of them. They have a lot of options, and they also have have a full-size one if you don't want a little mini one. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you like my swatch and reviews. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more gel nail polish reviews, and if so, what kind of stuff do you want to see? I would love to hear from you. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and yeah, that's it, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Alright, fun fact, this should come as no surprise to you guys, but I used to only wear sweatpants and oversized t-shirts like every single day, all throughout high school pretty much. That's all I wore because I value comfort over looks. I think that's very important, and I always liked being very comfortable until one day the guy I was dating was like, you know, it wouldn't kill you to look like a girl sometimes, and I was like, noted. And so I started wearing nicer clothes, but I still wear sweatpants slash pajamas most of the time. I'm actually wearing pajamas right now. Sorry for the foot. But yeah, I'm pretty much always wearing pajamas. All right, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.